In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. This is a crucial skill to ensure your contact lists are up to date and free of any incorrect or unnecessary entries, allowing for more focused and effective marketing efforts. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, so even if you're new to Salesforce, you'll be able to follow along with ease. Let's begin by logging into your Salesforce Lightning account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. This is your gateway to accessing all of the Salesforce tools, including your contacts. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left panel of your screen and click on Contacts. This section holds all the contacts that you've accumulated in your Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and it's where we'll be managing your contact list today. Now, using the search bar, type in the name or details of the contact you want to delete. The search functionality here is quite robust, so you should be able to locate your contact quickly, even if you only have partial information. Finding the right contact is important, so take your time to ensure you're targeting the correct entry. Next, hover your mouse over the contact you wish to delete. You'll see that just hovering over a contact brings up additional options, giving you quick actions you can take without having to go deeper into the contact's profile. Hovering helps you pinpoint specific entries and gives you more control over your contact management tasks. Look to the right-hand side of the contact listing where you'll see a drop-down arrow. Click this arrow to reveal a menu of actions. This drop-down is essentially a shortcut to numerous operations you can conduct on each contact, and among those is the option to delete. In the drop-down menu, select the delete option. At this point, you might feel a bit apprehensive. After all, deleting a contact is permanent, and we want to ensure there's no room for error. Salesforce understands this concern, which is why once you select delete, you're prompted one final time to confirm your decision. Finally, to complete the process, you'll need to click delete once more to confirm that you indeed wish to remove the contact from your list. This confirmation step is your last chance to rethink the deletion. Once you click delete, the contact will be permanently removed from your Salesforce Marketing Cloud. That wraps up the deletion process in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. By regularly cleaning up your contact list using this method, you help maintain the integrity and efficiency of your marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out more of our tutorials for other useful tips and tricks on how you can maximize your use of Salesforce.